Hi, I'm Seth, your AI support rep at Ringley Store. What can I do for you?
Hey, I want to exchange my jeans because they're just the size is just too small. I just need one bigger size.
Thanks for reaching out. Can you please provide your order number so I can help you with the exchange?
Yeah, that's 4167.
Got it, thanks. For the exchange, you'll need to return the original jeans first. Are they unworn with the tag still attached?
Yeah, they are.
Great. I'll email you a prepaid return label to send the jeans back. Once we receive and inspect the item, we'll ship the bigger size to your address. Typically, the whole process takes about 7 to 10 business days, and you'll get email updates along the way. Happy to help. Need anything else?
Let me check my email just a sec.
Sure, take your time. Let me know if you see the return label email or if you need any help with it.
Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, I've got the email. Great. Oh, right. I'll do that.
Awesome. Glad you got it. If you need any help during the return or exchange, just let me know. Need anything
Okay.
else?
No, thanks. That's it.
If that's it, thanks for chatting with us. I hope you have a great day.
Yeah. Bye.